Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken monitor screen. First, we will assess the damage to understand if a repair is even possible. It is crucial to identify the problem accurately before proceeding. We will also discuss gathering the right tools and ensuring your safety throughout the process. Understanding these initial steps can save you both time and potential frustration, making the repair journey smoother. Monitor screens can suffer various types of damage. A physical crack in the LCD panel usually means the entire screen needs replacing, which can be a significant undertaking. However, issues like dead pixels or persistent lines might simply point to a loose video cable or a minor internal connection problem. Backlight failures, where the screen remains dark, often suggest a faulty inverter board or damaged LED strips within the display itself. Before considering major repairs, always start with the simplest troubleshooting steps. First, ensure all video cables, such as HDMI or DisplayPort, are securely connected at both ends and are not damaged. Next, try connecting your monitor to a different computer or using an alternative video input to isolate the problem. Finally, update your graphics card drivers to their latest version, as outdated software can sometimes cause display anomalies. Deciding whether to repair or replace your monitor often comes down to cost and complexity. Replacing a severely cracked LCD panel can sometimes cost more than purchasing a brand new monitor, especially for older models. For intricate internal component failures, seeking professional repair is highly advisable. Always weigh the monitor's current value and age against the potential repair expenses before making your final decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.